Welcome to another tutorial video. This is Kiamond, then let's go to modeling. First step is choose a main round gem. Open size list and select 5 mm. Done. In perspective, change to shaded. Select gem, F6 and head builder. Then adjust builder's option. Okay, done. Select gem's profile, then use an ISO curve and click on the outermost part. It's quite clear from the top view. Now array by 4. Hide gem and head. Select curves from top view and project them to C-plane. You can use trim or curve boolean. I prefer to use curve boolean. On all, click outside and done. Then fill it by 0.5 mm. Show objects, select curves and offset curve by 0.1. Select main and offset again by 0.8. This part is where the beads are placed. Offset again by 1.2. This part is for gems by diameter 1.1. Select two curves and fillet curves. Now it's time to put curves on their position. Convert them to surface. Move by -1. Now it's high. -0.5. It's okay. To convert it to poly surface, you can either use offset surface or you can drag it and hold Ctrl. Very good. Change the layer and select these curves. Twin curve by 1 and OK. Then do gem on curve and adjust it. The shape has symmetry. You can adjust a quarter of it and then mirror them. Ungroup, select and mirror gems. Very good. Select all gems and group them. I want to use Ray Revolve to create the surface. Click on Intercurve and make a profile. Hide or delete extras and then Rail Revolve. Very good. Use the profile for inner curve and re-revolve again. Then cap the surfaces. Show all. Look at the model. It's good. Now prime placer and adjust it. Very good. Select all and hide ISO curves. It looks better. Close and continue. Put them in same layer. Now I want to empty some section of this part. Use an ISO curve, change the color, and select on mid. Then offset curve on surface by 0.6 on both sides. Extract surface, then split with curves. Change the layer and delete this. Extract isocurve again. Here is okay, and another isocurve for bottom. It's okay. From side view, trim middle section with 2 curves. Very good. Cap the surfaces. I want to convert it to poly surface. One way is offset surface. Offset it by 0.8. You see the result is not good. For another way, I use extrude surface. Click on direction, select F4, hold shift and extrude. .85 is good, I think. Yes, it is. Change the color and array by 4. It looks good. For middle part and beads. Vertical move this gear to top. Use an ISO curve. You see it's not good at all, so create a line and offset by throw point to mid. Delete extras. Select curve and object on curve. Very good. Put the poly surface in same layer. Check in render view. It's perfect. If I kept this section, is better for earrings pin. So explode, delete these surfaces and cap. Don't forget to connect head with another poly surfaces. Create a sphere and adjust it. Select and group them. After that, array by 4. Now use earrings pin. I made it before. Select and use it. And last part, gem cutter. Select all and gem cutters library and use heart. Select all poly surfaces and Boolean difference. Hide gems. It looks good. Show all. Locating in other views. Everything looks good and we can duplicate it. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.